wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Oh, hi kids! From A to Z, from East to West, I'm Noah and welcome back to Dream Again! I'm playing here with my llama toy. You remember him? He dances, right? Here, do you want to see him dance once?
Noah! Noah, help!
What? No! Oh, are you calling me, Olivia?
No!
Oh.
No, watch out!
Oh no! Hurry up!
Timber! Oh! Noah! Llama! Oh no! Are you okay?
Ouch.
Is Mr. Llama okay?
I don't know.
Oh goodness!
Oh, I don't think he dances anymore.
Hurry, try and make sure he's okay. Is he okay?
I don't know. I don't think
Should
he
we test
dances
him?
anymore.
Let's test him.
Let's test him.
Yeah. Make sure he's okay.
Let me put him like this.
Okay.
And then, let's see.
Oh, hi, kids!
Yeah, the kids are here.
Oh, hi! I didn't see you there.
No,
No?
you broke him. He's not very happy.
No. Do you think you can fix him with your tool set?
Yeah, I can try.
Okay.
I guess I'll just put him to the side.
Aw. I'm
Just stay
sorry.
there.
That was much sadder than I intended.
Yeah, you broke my toy. That's not nice of you.
Here, do you want to hand me it and I'll fix it? What?
You think that you can fix it just like that?
Yeah, I think I could try.
What is this?
This is, did you,
Do you need help?
yeah, but I'm really worried about your toy too. The other way. Okay.
We're upside
Yeah,
down, I think.
let's flip it. I got it. Boom.
Whoa.
Wow.
Wow.
This is my new toy. Yeah.
It says little people.
Yeah, little people. Look, they're little. Here, here. Let me get it down there. Oh,
Little people.
It's bigger than I am.
Yeah.
Wait. There we go.
Oh, okay.
Ooh.
So it says up front there, little people, and
Yeah.
in your corner it says Fisher Price, and here it says Disney Princess.
Yeah, Disney Princess.
So what's all this? What are all these names?
So it's all the princess. It's all the Disney princesses. So over by you we have Ariel,
Ariel.
and then right there we have Snow White.
Snow White. Oh, Snow White.
And then
okay.
in the middle, this is Rapunzel's tower.
Oh, okay.
And then Rapunzel's right here.
Right there.
Yeah, right here with the blonde hair right
Okay.
here.
Yes.
And then next to her, we have Tiana in the green. And below her, Tiana has a lily pad cart that she rides on because frogs like lily pads.
Okay.
And then next to her, we have Cinderella. Oh, and hold on.
And then
Pull it towards you.
Okay, I'll pull it towards me. There we go.
Yeah, and over here, we have a pumpkin. Because Cinderella rides in a pumpkin, remember?
Oh, yeah, I do remember.
Yeah.
So these are all of the different Disney princesses, and they have their own cart. Is this some sort of special parade?
Yeah,
edition?
exactly, yeah. See how all of the cars, they all hook together. Yeah,
Oh,
and so
wow.
when we get it out of the box, then it will ride like a parade. And I don't know what it's going to do, but I'm really, really excited to find out. Do you guys want to find out?
Yeah, I think we all want to find out. Yeah.
Okay, so let's start opening it. Can you help me open it, Noah?
Okay, sure, I'll help you.
Okay.
Okay, here, I got them. I think now you can take the box away. And here they are.
Wow!
They're
Yay,
still-
look at all the princesses.
Tiana's stuck.
Oh. Let's see. Oh, here, do you want me to hold? Do you want me to hold it? there's a piece of plastic. I got her!
Oh, good.
Wow. Ooh.
That was exhausting.
Yeah, that was so much plastic. Okay.
What's this here? Oh, paper.
Cardboard. There's some more.
I just hit myself with
Yeah.
cardboard.
Well, let's see who we got. Ooh, that's Tiana.
That's Tiana.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's Tiana.
Here, why don't you give it to me?
Oops. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, I'll put her right here.
Okay, and then we also have. Oops.
Who's that?
This is Cinderella. Oh, yeah. She's a good one.
Hey, Cinderella. I love you. I love you, Cinderella.
Cinderella's
I love
Noah's
you, girl.
favorite because she wears blue.
Oh, sorry. Were you? Oh, sorry. Were you saying something?
No, I didn't say anything. Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
So that's Cinderella.
Yep, that's Cinderella.
She's very kind. Very kind.
Oh,
Why are you laughing?
I was laughing at this funny doll.
No, you weren't. You were laughing at me.
No, I was laughing at this funny doll. Because have you seen the movie Tangled? It's very funny.
I don't think that's
It
true.
is. It's very, very funny, huh, kids?
Cinderella.
It is. See, and this is...
Cinderella, Olivia is laughing at us.
Would you two like a moment?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Hi, Cinderella. How are you? I'm going to be your charming prince and rescue you from your evil stepmother. Yeah, because that's what I do. Can I give you a kiss?
Kids,
Mm.
I don't think no one knows that this is my toy.
Oh, see, I saw you laughing.
I didn't laugh that
You're
time.
laughing at us.
No, I didn't laugh. I whispered, but I didn't laugh.
Kids, you saw that. Just because I love Cinderella.
Kids laugh.
Cinderella is a very, 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 very beautiful, elegant princess. And she wears blue, which is my favorite color. And she's always been very kind. Much.
Of course she's very kind. She's a princess. They're all very kind and gracious and beautiful.
I want to be Cinderella's prince.
You are Cinderella's prince.
I am?
Yeah, did you see how long she was talking to you? That was forever.
Yeah, I really love her.
Yeah, oh good. Well, I'm glad you love her. She's very nice.
Okay.
Would you like to meet the rest of the princesses?
I guess if we have to, sure. Why not?
I mean,
okay.
we don't have to, but I feel like the kids probably want to. Do you guys want to meet the rest of the princesses?
That's
Yay!
a yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this one is Rapunzel. Ooh. She's in the purple and she has blonde hair.
Yeah, that's
There you
very
go.
nice. Okay.
Thank
We
you.
just put her right next to, just in front of Tiana. Not in
Wonderful.
front of Cinderella. Cinderella is very important. She goes all the way up front there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Who's next?
Okay, next we have this is
Snow White.
Snow White, yeah. And they're not in this package, but she has 7 dwarfs.
Oh, yeah.
I like her.
Okay.
She sings a lot.
Okay, I'll put her up front here too.
Thank you. And then also we have our last one is
Our last one.
Yep, this is the last one. It's
Ariel. Oh, you just dropped
Oh
Ariel.
man. Here, wait. Can you have her back, please?
No.
Please?
I'm gonna put her right.
Wait,
Here.
you gotta hold her up high in the air so everyone can see.
Okay, I'll put her
Hold her.
higher. There we go.
There we go. That's Ariel. Yeah. She's beautiful.
She is beautiful.
Yeah. And then should we
Okay,
should we
should I
show
put her up?
Yep, put her up with the other princesses. Oops.
Okay.
And next, look. This we have Rapunzel's tower.
That's
Yeah.
Rapunzel's tower.
And-
Okay, so.
Oh, bless you. Bless you.
Oh, excuse me.
Ooh. I hope you're not allergic to Cinderella. That was funny, huh?
Oh, you're funny.
Yeah, I'm funny.
I actually don't like playing with princesses. I just do it for you.
Well,
Kids, remember that.
yeah, kids, make sure you remember that Noah's weird. Because princesses are awesome. Who doesn't like playing with princesses?
Okay, let's just move on.
Okay, this is Rapunzel's car.
Rapunzel's car.
Okay, and then right here, so this right here is a nice pumpkin car.
Oh, that's Cinderella.
Yeah, yep, it's a pumpkin carriage for Cinderella.
Pumpkin carriage for Cinderella. Here you go, Cinderella.
Great. And then, we have Snow White next, right?
Next one is Snow White. Yes, correct.
We have
Snow White's little cottage.
Snow White's cottage. Okay. Snow White's.
And then who's next?
Oh, Ariel's next.
Okay, and for Ariel, we have, it's a lovely seashell grotto. Ooh, under the ocean.
Seashell grotto?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's like a fancy place under.
So, here we go.
Okay.
That's seashell whatever.
Seashell home. We'll call it seashell swing.
Seashell home swing.
Yep. And then for Tiana, look, it's green and on top it's got a flower. It's a lily pad flower.
Lily pad flower.
Maybe, yeah. It's beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
I like it.
Nice.
So that one's for me. I'll put this one here for us.
Okay.
Okay, and now
that's very beautiful. I would say the kids are probably exhausted. They've learned a lot. So we should probably say goodbye and then they can take a nap, we can take a nap, and then we'll continue playing with them.
Okay, that sounds good.
Sounds good?
Okay, yeah, sounds great.
Okay. Bye, kids. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
I don't want to play with princesses ever again.
Okay, I'll play all by myself.
Except
with
Cinderella.
all these awesome kids. Noah's a liar. I think he really, really likes princesses. Why else would he leave with Cinderella? That's so crazy. Well, he only has one car and I have a lot. I'm gonna make my train. Woo-woo parade!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!